Can wheatgrass help diabetes? Wheatgrass is a natural source of vitamin A, E, C, K, and B complex. It also contains minerals, magnesium, iron, calcium, as well as amino acids. Therefore, wheatgrass can help treat various medical conditions, including diabetes. Read on to discover the benefits that a diabetic person can obtain from consuming wheatgrass. Folk medicine. Since wheatgrass contains so many healthy nutrients, the grass can help improve various health conditions. It can help boost the immune system. Its antibacterial properties can also aid in detoxification of the colon. Wheatgrass has been used in the treatment of cancer and diabetes. Unfortunately, there are limited clinical studies that can confirm these benefits. Investigation. Wheatgrass has played an important role in improving lipid and glucose levels in a person. Therefore, it can help control diabetes. This is according to research published in 2009 by the Journal of Herbal Medicine and Toxicology. In the study, 30 volunteers received meals on wheatgrass. The researchers found that adding just 15 grams of wheatgrass to some foods can help to significantly reduce the glycemic index of some foods, and therefore improve blood glucose levels. Triglyceride levels improved among participants who took wheatgrass. Safety. Wheatgrass is generally safe and well tolerated. Some side effects like headaches and nausea can occur, but rarely. Wheatgrass can cause allergic reactions in some people, especially those who are allergic to wheat or grass or people with celiac disease. The safety of consuming wheatgrass during pregnancy and lactation has not been fully evaluated. Therefore, it is best for pregnant women and those who are breastfeeding to avoid wheatgrass. Considerations. If you want to consume wheatgrass regularly to help your diabetes, it is best to consult a qualified healthcare provider to determine the optimal daily dosage of wheatgrass. It is very important to note that wheatgrass cannot replace any diabetes medication you are currently taking.